Hey, what's going on, my YouTube family? It is your favorite stay-at-home millionaire here, Sierra Nicole, and today I am back with a super quick update. Okay, this is not going to be a long video. I actually wasn't going to even make this video yet, but I did have some people in the comments of a few videos that I've posted since my last COTPS video asking me to do some updates. So here I am for you guys tonight. It is May 18th. Okay, it's about to be May 19th. It's like 11 o'clock at night here in Texas. So this is just a quick update from my knowledge of what's even going on right now with COTPS. I'm going to go ahead and hop over to my computer screen and show you guys what I'm looking at, and then we'll just dive into it from there. All right, guys, so we are looking at my own COTPS account. 9,100 in here. I can't remember what day that I did my last video, but so far I've made about 2,300 since May 6th. The total investment that I did put in here was about 6,800. So profit has been about 2,300 so far over the last, 12 days. So, I was still doing trades. I have my automation script on here, so I'm not clicking the button every 2 hours for the COTPS platform. But the main reason why you're here, obviously, is for an update on what's going on with the withdrawals, with the SMS text just not coming through. And in my last video that I did a few days ago, I was actually able to get the text, but the text was just a little bit late, right? So they give you 90 seconds in order to actually get the text. And I was getting it like right after that 90 seconds was up. But as of today, and I've tested it a few times, I'm not getting the text at all. So I know that they did at the end of the week say to give them about 3 business days. It's definitely been 3 business days. It's Wednesday going into Thursday. So we'll see what happens over the course of the next few days of this week. But I know that when you go to, where are we at? I know that when I go to customer service, there is this automated message here. And in the automated message, it says the platform has connected with a new SMS operators, and SMS in various countries is gradually being restored. Some countries and regions have returned to normal. For members of countries that have not yet been restored, please wait patiently. So if this is accurate, if this is the truth, then that's definitely a good sign. Okay, obviously the last SMS provider could not handle the amount of volume that this platform was bringing them. So hopefully this new provider will definitely be able to handle everything that's going on. I wouldn't be surprised if they did put some limits to the withdrawals, because with everything going on with crypto dropping and stocks dropping, I think people are just in panic mode right now, honestly. And I think that they are withdrawing their money out of many different high risk investments. And going into COTPS, I knew, but you definitely should have known that this could possibly be a high risk investment. Honestly, anything that seems super easy, right, in order to make money or get a really good ROI is definitely risky. High risk, high reward, but we'll see what happens. I'm definitely doing my best to stay optimistic, because there's definitely not much that we can do about what's going on, right? So all we can do is wait. But yeah, this is really the only update that I have for you guys right now. Is we're just waiting out like everyone else. I'm no longer getting text messages like I was in my last video. So I'm not getting any text at all. And it is Wednesday night going into Thursday morning. So I say give them till hopefully maybe the end of the week. Okay, to have a whole week to get this situated and figured out. And we will see from there. And any updates that I get, I will, of course, make sure I come on and let you guys know as soon as possible. Make sure you guys are hitting that subscribe button. And my channel is all about making money, entrepreneurship, and all that good stuff. So if that sounds like something that you're interested, tap in with me and the stay-at-home millionaire family. Hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell so that you don't miss any content. So that's the update for tonight. Drop your questions, your comments, your concerns down below in the comments section. I definitely love to chat with you all. And I'm curious, have you guys been getting SMS texts at all from them within this last week? Let me know down below. Do you guys think that this is the end of COTPS? let's talk about it in the comment section. I'm very curious as to what you guys think. Like I said, I'm staying pretty optimistic because of the fact that there's not much that I can do. But, you never know. I'm definitely going to keep watching it and just see what happens. So they did update this customer service message, which I think is a good sign. I think if it was a rug pull, there's so many different ways that they could have done this, where they could have just took the site down completely. So the fact that they are keeping customers updated, I think that's a good sign. I think we just have to wait it out and let's just see what happens, guys. So that's really all that I have for today's video. I don't want to drag it out because obviously many of you probably already know this information. I just want to stay tapped in with you all. And if I see or hear any updates, I will keep you guys posted. But until then, I will see you guys in the next video. Thanks for tuning in.